These CarPass three-dimensional foam leather seat covers combine a smooth synthetic leather finish with breathable mesh panels, so seats feel cushioned without getting overly warm on long drives. The thick foam backing adds noticeable ergonomic support, helping to ease pressure points and reduce fatigue on daily commutes or extended road trips. A universal style and separate headrest pieces make these covers a practical choice for many sedans, sport utility vehicles, pickup trucks, and vans, especially if you have front seats with armrests. The design leaves space for side airbag deployment, so you can upgrade the look and feel of your front seats without interfering with built-in safety systems. Non-slip material on the underside helps the covers stay put when you slide in and out, which keeps the fit tidy and the padding exactly where you want it. Owners who take the time to follow the step-by-step instructions generally find installation straightforward, and the foam settles out from initial creases after some use for a smoother appearance.